Sign up IPVanish.com, how to sign up for IPVanish on Firestick. Here's a step-by-step guide to signing up for an IPVanish account. Step 1, visit the IPVanish website. 1. Open your web browser and go to the IPVanish website. 2. Click on the Start Now button on the homepage. Step 2, choose a subscription plan. 1. You'll be taken to a page where you can select your subscription plan. Options typically include 1 month, 1 year, or 3-month plans. 2. Choose the plan that best suits your needs and click Continue. Step 3, create your account. 1. Enter your email address and create a password. 2. You'll also need to provide your payment details, credit card or PayPal. Step 4, verify your email address. 1. Check your email inbox for a verification email from IPVanish. 2. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. Step 5, download the IPVanish app. 1. Once your account is activated, log into your IPVanish account on the website. 2. Go to the Apps section and download the IPVanish app for your device, iOS, Android, Windows, Mac OS, etc. Step 6, install and set up the app. 1. Open the downloaded app and follow the on-screen instructions to install it on your device. 2. Launch the app and log in with your IPVanish account credentials. Step 7, connect to a server. 1. Open the IPVanish app and select a server location from the list. 2. Tap the Connect button to establish a VPN connection. And that's it. You're all set to start using IPVanish to browse the internet securely and privately.